Hello everyone, how you guys doing? I am super excited to be here with you all today. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. Hope everybody is doing well. You guys are awesome. You are in the right place at the right time. Have you ever come across someone who dislikes you? And when you approach them, they do not know why they don't like you. They don't know why they hate you. They just hate you just because. Well, my friends, don't waste your time. Don't waste your years arguing with people who don't like you. Spend more time with people who love you and care for you. It is a miserable life and a self-destruct life when you spend your years arguing with your haters. Your haters are watching you for sure, and they will come in numbers naturally to get you off focus, to distract you from whom you are called to be. So spend time with people who care and love you. You don't have to go searching for your haters because they will show up anyway. When you're doing something good for your life, they will show up. When you're doing nothing at all, they will still show up. And when you are doing good and when you are progressing in life, this is where the challenge is even harder. And when you believe that you are a child of God, your haters are even more angry, right? This is where you have to be strong and courageous and not give in to your haters every time. You have to keep it moving. Take back full control. Get your power back. Remember, this world we are living in is a sinful world. So expect challenges in every shape and form. Be vigilant and stronger every time they come at you. How do you receive the words of those who hate you? When you are in a contact with your haters, how you respond matters. Your action matters. Your thought process matters as well, because they can say what they want, but you don't have to take in what they say. You don't gotta want it, right? They can say, but you don't have to want it. You have the freedom of choice to make an intelligent decision. Did you know that not everyone's supposed to like you? People who like you today might hate you tomorrow. That's the nature of human beings, right? Even the Bible say, woe be unto you if all men speak well of you. So check this out. You don't have to be liked by everyone. You don't. But it sure feels so good and so powerful when you are respected by those who hate you. Your haters might not like what you do, but they will still give you that respect. Why? Because of your character, because of your integrity, because of your confidence, right? Because of your consistency, your righteousness, your reputation, the lifestyle that you're living in, and because of the people that you serve, the people that are around you who you take care of, and because they can see the Jesus in you. That power alone forces them to respect you even though they can't stand you for whatever reason. Your way of life, your attitude can transform the hearts and the minds of your haters. Keep that in mind. So, my friends, don't waste your years arguing with your haters. You will age faster real quick. Even your organs will age faster, inside and out. And you will get real sick. And I'm talking about high blood pressure, migraine, stress level really high up and down, right? And all kinds of illness. Your spiritual health, your mental health, your physical health does matter. So again, don't waste your time arguing with your haters. Let it go. You don't need that extra level of stress. Spend more time with people who love you. Take care of yourself on purpose. Love yourself more on purpose. Until next time.